truck number 3. Because a couple people have asked about if I got a new truck. I didn't get a new truck. I bought a used truck actually, new to me. F you. What?
This episode is proudly produced by Tekamo and sponsored by FortisHD.com. Buy the big chooch. Look at this thing. Yeah, damn. And some wrench extenders. Medium, big, small.
Hey guys, it's Cam with Tekamo. Truck tour 2, truck number 3. We'll do a quick rundown on some of the differences between this truck and the 550 that you guys have already seen. Right off the bat, door number 1, everything's pretty much the same because I literally just pulled the drawer packs out of the one truck and pulled the empty ones out of this and swapped all the drawers because it's the same drawer unit. So this is all the same. Power tools, my smashers and whackers, 3/8 drive, quarter drive sockets, ratchets, that kind of stuff. Pliers, grippy things on the end. Crow's feet, standard wrenches, standard crow's feet, standard wrenches. Metric wrenches, screwdrivers and pokers and prodders and picks and stuff like that. The junk drawer, because everyone's got to have a junk drawer. And then all my 1/2-inch drive sockets go up top, just because I use them a lot and it's quick to grab them. It just stays a drawer. I don't know. What do you guys put up top on your service trucks? Because I've always done this. I've always had my socket rails up top, those in the back, and usually it's nice if you got a second shelf. I'd put my like an inverter and chargers up there, but in this one my chargers are behind the seat. Keeps the batteries warm too. So we put these Soaring Eagle aluminum drawer packs in, number 2 and 3 on each side of the truck to give us some more space for organizing. Similar setup to the other truck though, where we got, you know, like our electrical and, you know, the bit sockets, that kind of thing, kind of separated, you know, metric standard. I like to keep them metric standard, so your metric stuff is there and my standard stuff is here. And then just kind of like some miscellaneous and junk drawers and whatnot. I moved my wrenches over to this side too, just because I use them more often and it's nice to have them over here. And just because I have a big wrench, I have a big one here now and 2 smaller ones, and I did the same drawer pack on the other side, so I have the sockets on the other side still, but I didn't have room for the wrenches up top because these are thinner. This is just all my test gauges. We're just blowing through this quick because it's fucking cold and I want to go eat. So, but we'll show you guys because we got a little time. So if you want any more info on this stuff, you know, anything specific, then let us know. Got my electrical kits on this side because I use them a lot, and it's kind of nice having a lot of your common stuff on the driver's side or whatever side if you work on a highway a lot. Pull-out tray's a new thing. The other truck didn't have drawers here, didn't have a pull-out tray here. The tray's kind of nice. I mean, I don't know. The bearings are whatever, kind of fucked in it, but I know, right? Shit. Well, we'll just keep talking through it. People can listen to it, I guess. Consumables, and some kind of junk stuff, and then some filter wrenches and stuff like that. Then all my blow molded cases are up top again. Accumulator charge kits, vacuum, my induction heater you guys saw there. We did that one, the induction heater the other day. Boring stuff. Anyways, crane cabinet, nothing too spectacular here. A reel and another reel for my waste oil. I might get rid of this reel, like pull it out and put a better one in. It's kind of I'll put 2 Graco reels in there side by each if they'll fit. So they'll come out the door instead of the back. I don't know, I never really cared for those back hatches. You're gonna open all your doors anyways, so whatever. Yeah, I wanna put the clean oil, air reel, and then they got my waste reel, which I wanna put a new hose on here because this one's all weathered and super stiff. Not just because it's cold right now, but it's kind of short too, to the vise maybe, and that's about it. So Doghouse is a mess. Welder's just turfed in the back there for now. Planning on moving that big air tank up top eventually. We'll go over the other side real quick. Holy that wind caught me off guard. Crane, 5,000 pound lift, IMT 2020, so 20 foot reach, 20,000 foot-pounds. That's what the 2020 is for. When I got the truck deckled, they re-deckled the crane too, but they, for some reason, put an eye on there because my other crane had an eye at the end. So it's not actually an eye. The eyes are the electric over hydraulic. This one's full hydraulic, just run off the truck's PTO. So PTO compressor as well. Up there, my torch cabinet, my drawers here. There's nothing in there, they're empty. But there's gonna be all my like caps and plugs and O-ring kits, consumables, spare parts, all that stuff go in there. But nothing too spectacular, I guess, on this side. Just my big sockets are all in here. Big sockets, caps and plugs are gonna be in here, organized a little better, and then hardware up here. That's kind of the plan. My impacts and big stuff is up here. Some of those other big cases I was telling you about that didn't fit on the other side. Ooh, that's a heavy drawer. Let's see if it lasts. Some of those big cases and stuff are gonna go over here. I got my 3/4 inch torque wrench. I got a ammo box that's ready to take me out one day. A torque multiplier will go in here. A few other things are gonna go in here. I mentioned I wanna move that air tank. I don't like it up there. It's kind of a stupid spot for it, but I like the big air tank, but I'm gonna probably go to a smaller one and put my welder up top instead. This one for now is kind of just a collection area for straps and chains and random lifting gear. Batteries for my jumper, 24 volt booster setup in here. So I'll just tie those together and have a set of leads off of there to boost machines. I got a bunch of big lifting eyes in here right now that I don't normally keep in there. I have a bunch of chain that I keep here, but I want to hang in the doghouse instead of inside here. So I kind of want to clear this cabinet out as well for some bulk storage. Anyways, we're gonna go park the truck for the night and lock her up. If you got any questions about it, anything specific or whatever, maybe, you know, if you got some tips and whatnot. Anyways, fuck that train. We're out of here. Have a good night. We'll see you guys later. Let's go eat. Let's go. Let's go now. We go now? We good? Okay. I can't feel anything anymore. We never did a truck number 2 tour because it's a shit box, but it's okay. No, I'm just kidding. It's not a shit box. It's a good truck and it's for sale actually. So shoot us a message if you're interested in it. It's probably going to be asking about maybe give or take.
Help support us. Help us get these videos edited and out quicker. You like quick videos? Buy more stickers. We'll get more videos.